Now we all know that feeling, being broke and not knowing what to do. In this video, I'm going to show you some online side hustles that you can do to never be broke again. Welcome to the Peak Performance channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. There are endless opportunities for online side hustles these days. Whether you're looking to make a few extra bucks or generate a full-time income, there's sure to be a perfect fit for you, and here are just a few of the many possibilities. There are people making a lot of money selling low-content books on Amazon. But what's the definition of a low-content book? A journal, planners, progress tracker, colouring books, prayer journal and much more. And you can see how there are just these lines here, and I'm actually filling it in well. Someone has to create this, and it could be what you're doing to make money. The great thing about selling on Amazon is that they handle everything for you, from shipping to customer service. All you have to do is design the cover and determine what will be inside the book. Is it going to be lines, calendars, thoughts like a bullet journal, or questionnaire prompts? You don't have to be a designer. Using software called BookBolt, you may make low-content books very easily. So let me show you how. Creating a low-content book using BookBolt is really easy because it's just drag and drop. For example, let's try creating a gratitude journal. BookBolt already has lots of preloaded images for anything that you need. You can go ahead and add your own colours, shapes and text to make the cover unique to you. You decide what the outside of the notebook will look like, but the inside is packed with preloaded templates that you may use. This might be lines for a journal, this could be dots, and this could be puzzles among other things. This might also be a fitness tracker, calendars, weight loss logs, guest books, music or anything else you desire to include. BookBolt most likely offers it as a template, so it will become your own book. You could easily create a low-content book on Amazon in under a day. They handle the printing and shipping, and whenever a customer buys your journal or any other item, you get paid a percentage of the sale, so you can make a passive income selling low-content books on Amazon quite easily. In order to be successful though, you need a good strategy. And I'm going to share two things that will help optimize your chances for success. The first thing is to use the BookBolt research tool. This strategy is simply amazing because it allows you to see what the top selling items are, so that you're not just putting out random books and hoping for the best. With this method, you can actually see what's working or what people are spending their money on, and then insert yourself into that market to collect the rewards. It also has a keyword research tool that's amazing because it tells you exactly what keywords to use in order to get your book ranking high on Amazon search. And that way, organic sales will come flooding in. The second strategy is to join BookBolt's weekly support sessions, where a member of staff will be on the phone with you every week to answer your queries. When you combine these two, you'll have the greatest chance of earning passive income. BookBolt has a monthly subscription, but it's very cheap. Now here's a quick reminder before we continue. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so, as it means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos, and of course it helps our channel as well. Now let's get back to the video, and the following side hustle is for anyone with a good camera on their phone. It's called user-generated content, and if you've been active on TikTok lately, you'll know that UGC videos are becoming increasingly popular. But what is UGC? Well, businesses always spend money on marketing, but when you see an ad, you think to yourself, "Oh, that's an ad, I don't want to buy it." Nowadays, corporations are attempting to create ads that seem more natural for the average person. And this is done in order for the ads to not appear like they're part of a commercial transaction as soon as you scroll through them. In fact, many companies are paying people like you to create short videos, 15 seconds or less, that look natural rather than relying on professional production studios. This tactic has proven to be more successful than traditional advertising methods. I'm not exaggerating when I tell you that people are making hundreds of dollars from 15 to 30-second videos. The reason we're seeing more user-generated videos is because 1. They often perform better than ads that are produced in a studio. 2. They're cheaper to make. On average, studios would charge around $4,000 to $5,000 for a 15 to 30 second video. In contrast, you, for example, will only charge around $500 to $1,000 because you do everything yourself, the acting, filming and editing. Yes, you're the actor, you're the cameraman and you're the editor. The good thing about this is that there's not really a barrier to entry. Anyone can get started without needing special skills or anything like that. All you need is a good understanding of how TikTok videos or Instagram posts work and you're all set. To get clients, you'll create a TikTok or Instagram account and post videos of items around your house. This will serve as your portfolio since it shows brands what types of video you can make for them. Get started by rating your portfolios on TikTok and reaching out to businesses. The next side hustle is called B2B, business to business direct marketing, which means that the advertising and marketing efforts of the business are solely focused on generating sales. A great example would be emailing potential customers about an ongoing sale. B2B direct marketing is important if you want to ensure a steady stream of money, regardless of the state of the economy. This is because with direct marketing, companies are focused on making sales rather than simply generating leads. And it also means that the work you do for them will directly result in increased revenue. Now, you're not just a freelancer, but an earning machine for that business. Some examples of direct marketing might be email marketing, where you engage in the sales email process, or a sales page. Therefore, if you're responsible for the sales page content or design, you could also be writing Facebook ads. And when people see the ad, they'll want to purchase what you're selling because of your compelling copy or the attractive visuals. And the same goes for Google and YouTube ads. Anything related to advertising is essentially direct marketing. And businesses will always want to make more money, so if you can help them reach that goal, well, they will pay you very well. The benefit of this is that you don't have to charge a flat fee. You can actually take a percentage from their increased revenue. So for example, if they sell $1 million and your fee is 2%, then you just made $20,000. If you could do even one of these deals per month, that's more than 6 figures per year. Now you can learn direct marketing and email marketing from websites like Skillshare or YouTube. But set aside some time each day for a month to get educated on the topic, then look for platforms where you could advertise your services, such as Fiverr or Upwork. You could also connect with potential clients through LinkedIn. This may take more skills than the other things I've mentioned, but it's still a great side hustle for people who are willing to learn and build a good business. And that's all. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. To create is effort, to copy is genius, Albert Einstein. And if you want to expand your income by building an online income, feel free to contact me so we'll get things moving right away. And remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.